Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Ariel Nicole. So in today's video, I thought I'd show you guys 4 workout outfit ideas. So if you want to see these outfits, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for the first outfit, it's actually the outfit that I'm wearing right now, and it's actually one of my favorites. It's this cute little 2-piece set from Shop Sun Honey. So I'm gonna link them down below for you guys. So this color is so cute. It's like this blue, like denim-y faded wash color, and then it comes with these cute, super cute high-waisted pants. I love them. They're super seamless and they are literally so perfect for like any body type. They hug you in all the right places, but not to the point where you're like super snug and uncomfortable. So yeah, I literally love these so much. I work out in them. They're perfect. They're non-restricting and they look super cute. So I literally love this set so much. I can't even say enough good things about this set because it's literally so great. It feels amazing, it's so comfortable, it's seamless, makes you look amazing, and yeah, I literally love this set and I recommend that you guys go to the link down below and try to snag yourself a pair if they're still available. If not, I will try to find a similar outfit. Okay, next we have this little kitty workout set. This is like a cute little mauve color. I actually purchased this on Amazon, so I'm gonna try to find the link for you guys, like I said. Okay, this one feels amazing. The material is super thick. They're high-waisted, as you can see. I think I had padding, but I took it off because I don't like padding in my like sports bras. So yeah, this is literally so nice. It fits amazing, like a glove, sucks you in all the right places. I feel like that is so important when it comes to workout wear, because you want to be just sucked in and feel motivated and be like working out and just sweating everything off. But yeah, these fit like a glove. Literally the best set I've bought like ever from Amazon. So good, so comfortable. I think this set was maybe $28, super inexpensive, so cute. I would literally just like throw a little sweatshirt over this and just run errands and then go to the gym, do my little workout, and then come home. So cute, love the color, and yeah, I love this one. Let me know what you guys think. This set is true like 10 out of 10. Love it. Okay, next is this little cute fun Carol Baskin vibes. So I have the cheetah leggings, super cute. I got these from J. Crew, and then this little cute like muscle tee top I also got from J. Crew. What I love about this is the back that like it's kind of open, which is kind of cute. You can see your sports bra, you can be like fun with it, and it's also like a little bit brazy, which is really nice. So yeah, so what I like about this top is you can leave it long or you can like tie it into a little crop because it has the ties in the back. There we go. Super cute. Again, perfect for working out or like a little loungewear outfit. I absolutely love this combo. It's fun, it's comfortable, and yeah, it looks so cute and on trend. Okay, so for the last outfit, I wanted to switch it up. So I am wearing these cute little high-waisted biker shorts. I ended up getting these from Target. They're so cute, tie-dye on trend. And then I'm wearing this cute little top from J. Crew. It's literally the same top I was wearing before in the black, but in white. So I didn't tie it, I left it loose. So this is what the back looks like. It's like open and free, just nice to go on walks. But if you really wanted to, you can go ahead and do the ties, like a little crop top or something. But I think this outfit looks so cute, just like with the shirt kind of like hanging loose and like very flowy. So yeah, I literally love this outfit so much. The shorts are my favorite part. They're so cute, these little biker shorts, and I love the color. They're very like neutral, so I can wear these with so many colors. And yeah, the top is perfect. It's white, it's no sleeves, it's comfortable, and literally perfect for working out or lounging in. So yeah, those are my lounging working out outfits. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.